Exercise 4.2, first problem. If n minus 1 p3 is to np4 equal to 1 is to 10, find n. Here this is given in the ratio n minus 1 p3 is to np4, and here it is 1 is to 10. So we can write this ratio as the fraction. So n minus 1 p3 divided by np4 equal to 1 by 10. I want to cross multiply here. So 10 into n minus 1 p3 and np4 into 1. So that I got 10 into n minus 1 p3 equal to np4. And then I can write this n minus 1 p3 as a formula npr equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. npr equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So here this n minus 1 p3 can be written as n minus 1 factorial. Instead of n we have n minus 1 divided by n minus r. That means n is n minus 1 minus r is 3. So minus 3 equal to, on the right hand side we have np4. This can be written as by the formula n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. Okay, and then here we have this n minus 1 factorial can be written in the format of here n minus 1 minus 3 can be written as n minus 4 factorial at the denominator, and both the sides we have n minus 4 factorial. So I can cancel this n minus 4 factorial and this n minus 4 factorial. The remaining things we have n minus 1 factorial equal to, here it is n factorial. This n factorial means n factorial equal to from n to 1. It's in the product. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. up to 1. Okay. So this n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. So this is that's what I wrote here, n into n minus 1 factorial. Even here also we can cancel this n minus 1 factorial and this n minus 1 factorial. Therefore 10 equal to n. Second problem, if 10pr minus 1 equal to 2 into 6pr, find r. It's given 10pr minus 1 equal to 2 into 6pr. I want to write as this formula npr. That npr is nothing but here n is 10 and r is r minus 1. So I can use the formula here n factorial, that is 10 factorial divided by n minus r, that is 10 minus r minus 1 factorial equal to, on the right hand side we have 6pr. This 6pr can be written in the same formula. N factorial is 6 factorial divided by n minus r factorial, that means 6 minus r factorial. Okay, and then the next step I want to expand that formula, that factorial. So 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, isn't it? From 10 to 1 in the descending order you have to write there. But in the right hand side we have 6 factorial, isn't it? So that I want to stop here itself. 6 factorial is nothing but from 6 to 1. So I want to stop here. So 10 to 6 I want to write in the decreasing order, and for this 6 I put this 6 factorial. This 6 factorial is nothing but 6 to 1. Okay, here we have a 6 factorial already on the right hand side, so I can cancel this 6 factorial and this 6 factorial. and at the denominator I want to multiply with this minus symbol. So 10 minus r plus 1 factorial is there. On the right hand side as usual we have 6 minus r factorial, and then we want to simplify here. So here I can, after cancellation of this 6 factorial, I can write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 equal divided by 11 minus r factorial equal to, here it is 2 by 6 minus r factorial, and then we can cancel this 10 and 2, therefore we got 5 here. So the remaining things we have is 5 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by this 11 minus r factorial can be written as 11 minus r decreasing order, 10 minus r into 9 minus r into 8 minus r into 7 minus r into 6 minus r factorial, because on the right hand side we have 6 minus r factorial, so we stopped here. Okay, so that we can cancel this 6 minus r factorial and this right hand side 6 minus r factorial. The remaining things what we have here, 5 into 9 into 8 into 7 equal to divided by simply that 11 minus r, 10 minus r into 9 minus r into 8 minus r is there. So cross multiply that thing, so that we got like this. These things we got on the right hand side. Okay, and then okay, here I can write this, keep this 7 as it is here and keep this 5 as it is here, and here this 8 can be written as 4 into 2, isn't it? So keep this 4 here as it is there, and then here 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay, 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So we can keep this 3 here as it is. So we have 1 3 and 2 left over there. So these 3 2s are 6. So we got the 6 here. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 in the decreasing order we got there. On the right hand side we have 11 minus r into 10 minus r into 9 minus r. This is 9 minus r. 9 minus r into 8 minus r into 7 minus r. Okay, and then I want to, both the sides we have the decreasing orders only, so I want to equate each factors there. I can equate this 11 minus r to this 7. So 11 minus r equal to 7. From this I can get the value of r. You can equate any brackets here. Even you can equate this 10 minus r to 6 also. So that time also you got the value of r is 4. Even you can equate this 9 minus r to 5, or else 8 minus r to 4, or else 7 minus r to 3. Anything you can equate there, you will get the same answer as r equal to 4.